OneClick.ai. OneClick.ai empower retail business users with automated AI for better planning and forecasting. Pricing, sorry. The companies in the retail industry has been fighting a long time to solve the common problems as demand forecasting, demand sensing, price optimization, inventory optimizations. And they try to use AI, but their journey is not that easy. If we take a very close look, it's actually all around the forecasting. If we can have accurate forecasting in all situations, then the rest of the job is much easier. Let's look at the top challenges in today's forecasting. The forecasting has a huge financial benefits. A rule of thumb is if we can improve forecasting accuracy by 1%, it is almost equivalent to 2.5% inventory reduction, 0.5% to 1% revenue lift. So the first challenge nowadays is a lot of tools, existing tools, they are using very traditional methods, and those methods cannot deliver the good result as they expect because usually they are linear models. They cannot taking the SQL more than 1,000 SQL. It's very hard to maintain those things. Very hard to taking external variables. And requires a lot of human work to tune those models to understand the seasonality, trends, missing values, etc. The second challenge that we see is nowadays we're actually living in the era of big data sets, right? So traditionally, when people work on pricing, they're using a lot of ERP, the data sets from ERP system. Also, the expertise of the domain experts of many years experience. Nowadays, we can consume more than we could before, like temporal data sets, operational, economical, product information, even like social medias. So OneClick.ai can really solve those challenges much easier, faster, and quicker. Let's take a look how we position ourselves to solve those challenges. So our solution can really help companies in the retail space to optimize the entire product life cycle, starting from new product introductions, launch plan, dynamic pricing, management, and clearance. Let me walk you through each individual stages, see how we actually accomplish. Let's imagine a company is actually launching new shoes. At this moment, they have zero sales data, yet they still figure out what demand looks like. In these cases, we can really use a lot of deep learning technology to look at products description, style, and color to understand what the regional demand forecasting looks like and recommend the initial price. Then we will look at the attributes on the store level to understand their inventory, their demographic profile, to understand the differences across different store, because obviously the buying pattern will be different. So in order to decide which store we like to launch this product, is it going to be nationalized or regionalized? And do what is the initial order will be look like for this store. So once the product is actually become to the sales, we'll monitor the sales on a daily basis to understand how the demand changes on a daily basis and adjust the price accordingly on a weekly basis to optimize either the revenue, profit, or reduce out of stock rate. So once we see the products actually can sell much faster, we also recommend what is the right quantity to replenish. And one of the byproducts during the process actually to be able to detect the trending product, which is a very big deal for a lot of companies in the retail space. By doing so, we can have early detection of such product to give them more time to have a better production plan, the better ways to redistribute their product to make sure the clients can get the beloved products without any delay. So how are we actually doing differently? So traditionally, if a company work on a project like this, they have to really hire data scientists to go through the procedures of data acquisition, building model, etc. Usually take 4 to 5 months. So what we do is actually really, after the acquisition is ready, we completely automate the entire process, including building models and optimizations. Even if on very complex scenarios, we have to do certain customization work. It is very minimized. On the other, two other cases I'd like to share with you guys is actually using our dynamic pricing, we're helping billion-dollar revenue companies to be able to increase their revenues by almost 1%. They actually have 1,000 stores nationwide. Another case is we actually, by providing accurate forecasting, we're able to reduce e-commerce inventory by 1.5%, which is huge win for them. So the team of our company is actually coming from Microsoft, eBay, SAP, Tableau, at Motorola. We have average over 10 years working experience. The team is actually composed by AI researchers, data scientists, as well as product manager and supply chain experts. We make sure we understand the right technology, as well as domain expertise to deliver the best in-class product to our clients. OneClick.ai, make AI accessible to everyone. Thank you.